Tech Xlovers. HRP-5P. HRP-5P is a humanoid robot developed by the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology in Japan. It is a successor to the HRP-4 robot and is designed to be more robust and capable of handling heavy loads. HRP-5P is 182 centimeters tall and weighs 101 kilograms. It has 37 degrees of freedom, which allows it to perform a wide range of motions. The robot is powered by a combination of electric motors and hydraulic actuators. HRP-5P is equipped with a variety of sensors, including cameras, force sensors, and range sensors. These sensors allow the robot to perceive its environment and interact with it. Dincel. Dincel is a permanent formwork system that is used in the construction of concrete walls. It is made from a lightweight polymer that is impervious to water, making it a good choice for use in wet environments. Dincel is also fire resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures. Dincel panels are connected together using a unique snap lock joint that makes them easy to install. The panels are then filled with concrete, which creates a strong and durable wall. Dincel can be used to construct a variety of wall types, including straight walls, curved walls, and columns. Dincel has a number of advantages over traditional formwork systems. It is lightweight and easy to install, which can save time and money on construction projects. Dincel is also watertight and fire resistant, making it a good choice for use in wet and extreme environments. Additionally, Dincel is a permanent formwork system, which means that it does not need to be removed after the concrete has cured. This can save time and money on construction projects. Dincel is a versatile and durable formwork system that can be used in a variety of construction applications. It is a good choice for projects that require a watertight and fire-resistant wall. EconoGrid 40. EconoGrid 40 is a type of modular paving system that is made from recycled plastic. It is designed to be used as a durable and sustainable alternative to traditional concrete pavements. EconoGrid 40 is made from recycled plastic bottles that are melted down and then molded into interlocking tiles. The tiles are then connected to each other using a steel grid. This makes the system strong and durable, and it can be used in a variety of applications, including driveways, parking lots, and walkways. EconoGrid 40 is also a sustainable product. The use of recycled plastic helps to reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills. Additionally, the system is designed to be easy to install and maintain, which further reduces its environmental impact. Roof tiles. The roof tiles used in the video are concrete tiles. Concrete tiles are a popular choice for roofs because they are durable, affordable, and available in a variety of colors and styles. They are also relatively easy to install, making them a good option for DIYers. Concrete tiles are made from a mixture of cement, sand, and water. They are molded into shape and then fired in a kiln. Concrete tiles are available in a variety of profiles, including flat, barrel, and interlocking. The profile of the tile determines the way it sheds water. Concrete tiles are a good choice for roofs in all climates. They are resistant to wind and hail damage, and they can withstand extreme temperatures. Geofoam. Geofoam is a lightweight, closed-cell, expanded polystyrene foam that is used as a geosynthetic material in a variety of construction applications. It is a versatile product that can be used to create lightweight and stable retaining walls, embankments, foundations, levees, and other structures. Geofoam is also used as insulation for roofs, walls, and floors. Geofoam has a number of advantages over traditional construction materials, including its lightweight, durability, water resistance, and recyclability. These advantages make Geofoam a sustainable and cost-effective choice for a variety of construction projects. Robotics ground anchor that can be used in asphalt. locking ring is tightened to secure it. Robotics Alpha M Asphalt is a reliable and cost-effective solution for anchoring objects in asphalt. It is a popular choice for governments, businesses, and individuals around the world. Bumpa Hoist. The Bumpa Hoist by Wellers Hire is a portable, electric-powered hoist that is designed to lift and move heavy materials. It is a versatile hoist that can be used in a variety of applications, including construction, demolition, and industrial maintenance. The Bumpa Hoist is available in a variety of capacities, from 1 ton to 5 tons. It is powered by a 110V electric motor and has a lifting height of up to 10 meters. The Bumpa Hoist is easy to use and can be operated by one person. It is equipped with a number of safety features, including overload protection and a safety latch. The Bumpa Hoist is a safe and efficient way to lift and move heavy materials. It is a good option for businesses and individuals who need to lift and move heavy materials on a regular basis. ETH Zurich Spatial Timber Assemblies. ETH Zurich Spatial Timber Assemblies is a research project that is developing new methods for assembling timber structures. The project is led by Professor Thomas Schlatter and is funded by the Swiss National Science Foundation. The project is based on the idea of using spatial timber assemblies to create structures that are both strong and lightweight. Spatial timber assemblies are made up of individual timber elements that are connected together in a three-dimensional way. This allows the structures to be made from smaller and lighter timber elements, which can save material and reduce the weight of the structure. The ETH Zurich Spatial Timber Assemblies project is developing new methods for designing and assembling spatial timber assemblies. The project is also developing new software tools that can be used to analyze and optimize the performance of these structures. The project has the potential to revolutionize the way that timber structures are designed and built. It could lead to the development of lighter, stronger, and more sustainable timber structures. TyBot. TyBot is an autonomous rebar-tying robot developed by Advanced Construction Robotics, ACR. It is designed to automate the repetitive and backbreaking task of tying rebar, which is used to reinforce concrete structures. TyBot is a portable robot that can be easily deployed on construction sites. It is equipped with a robotic arm that can tie rebar at a rate of up to 1,200 ties per hour, which is significantly faster than a human worker. TyBot is also more accurate than a human worker. It can tie rebar in a consistent and precise manner, which helps to ensure the structural integrity of concrete structures. TyBot is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way that rebar is tied. It could help to improve safety, productivity, and accuracy on construction sites. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.